Pritesh Ram, exhibition participation. Kishore, best student. Lakshanya, exhibition participation. Lakshika Sri, good handwriting. Lishana, good handwriting. Madhumita, exhibition participation. Karnika, exhibition participation. Magarinian, activity winner. Nitish, assembly participation. Poova Raghavan, activity winner. Rishi Vardhan, reading challenger. Sabarish, full attendance. Sagityan, class topper. Saidina, reading challenger. Shamruddin, exhibition participation. Saran, class topper. Saran Krishna, activity winner. Tansila Mariam, reading challenger. Veronica, good handwriting. Derek Arrow, exhibition participation. Pragadish, exhibition participation. Adik Sarjan, activity winner. Bharani Alagan, exhibition participation. Loshika, activity winner. Udayan, activity winner. And Madanisha, exhibition participation.